Grocery shopping is a universal ritual in the UK, woven into the fabric of our daily routines and shaping not just our meals but our lifestyles and budgets. Whether you're picking up a pint of milk on the way home or planning a big family shop for the week ahead, these moments are part of what connects us all. Every week, millions of us fill our cupboards, whether in-store or online, with essentials like milk, bread, and vegetables. From bustling city supermarkets to quiet village shops, the weekly shop is a shared experience, bringing together people from all walks of life. And with the rise of online grocery delivery, even the way we shop is evolving, making convenience a top priority for many households. The grocery sector isn't just another industry, it's the engine room of daily life, impacting everyone from London to Loch Ness. No matter where you live, whether in the heart of a bustling city or the peaceful countryside, grocery stores are a vital part of the community, providing access to food, jobs, and a sense of connection. Where we shop affects our wallets, the quality of our food, and even our health. The choices we make in the aisles, comparing prices, reading labels, and selecting fresh produce, can have a lasting impact on our well-being and our family's nutrition. For many, the weekly shop is also a chance to make conscious decisions about supporting local producers or choosing healthier options. The fierce competition between supermarket giants directly influences prices and deals, shaping our high streets and online baskets. From eye-catching discounts to loyalty schemes, supermarkets are constantly battling for our attention and our custom, which means shoppers are always on the lookout for the best value. Financial experts closely monitor this sector, analyzing sales, profits, and customer satisfaction to predict the future of our weekly shop. Their insights help retailers adapt to changing trends, from the popularity of plant-based foods to the impact of inflation on household spending. These predictions matter to all of us. Will prices rise or fall? Will our favorite stores survive? The answers affect not just our wallets, but our daily routines and the choices available to us every time we shop. As we enter a new year, Barclays has released a major analysis of the UK grocery market. Their report dives deep into the trends shaping the industry, from changing consumer habits to the impact of technology and economic pressures. They've assessed the major players and made bold predictions about who will win and lose by 2026. This analysis isn't just about numbers, it's about the future of the brands we trust and the shops we visit every week. This isn't just financial jargon, it's about the future of our food, our money, and the shops we rely on. The outcome will shape what we see on our shelves, how much we pay, and even the jobs in our communities. So, what does Barclays see ahead for the UK's supermarkets? Their findings could influence everything from the price of your weekly shop to the survival of your local store. Let's break down their findings and what they could mean for you. Whether you're a bargain hunter, a loyal customer, or just curious about the future of food shopping, these insights are set to impact us all. Here's what you need to know as we step into a new era for the UK's supermarkets. Barclays analysts have turned their spotlight on the UK grocery sector, publishing a detailed and comprehensive forecast for 2026 that's already making waves in the industry. Their report dives deep into the trends shaping the future of supermarkets, from shifting consumer habits to the impact of inflation and supply chain pressures. In their analysis, Barclays has ranked the major supermarket chains, separating likely winners from those facing tougher times ahead. Their rankings are based on a mix of strategy, financial health, adaptability, and how well each company is positioned to respond to a rapidly changing market landscape. The message from Barclays is clear. 2026 is shaping up to be a much tougher year for supermarkets, compared to the strong performance many enjoyed recently. Rising costs, changing shopping patterns, and increased competition are all set to challenge the sector. The era of easy growth is coming to an end, and the battle for market share is about to get fiercer than ever. Supermarkets will need to work harder to attract and retain customers. Only the most adaptable and innovative companies will thrive in this new environment, as those who fail to evolve risk falling behind. Barclays has upgraded Tesco and Sainsbury's, predicting they'll lead the pack thanks to their strong strategies, robust supply chains, and ability to respond quickly to market changes. Meanwhile, B&M and Ocado face a more challenging outlook, with concerns about their ability to keep up with the pace of change and maintain profitability in a tougher market. These predictions set the stage for a dramatic battle in the aisles, as each supermarket fights to win over shoppers and secure their place in a rapidly evolving industry. Understanding why Barclays made these calls is key to seeing where your weekly shop is headed and what it could mean for your wallet in the coming years. Let's dive into the reasons behind these forecasts and explore what the future might hold for the UK's biggest supermarkets. Tesco, the UK's largest supermarket, is Barclays' top pick for the coming years. Their analysts have upgraded Tesco's rating, citing its strong value proposition and competitive pricing. Tesco's Aldi price match and club card prices have helped it fend off discounters and keep customers loyal. Barclays believes this focus on value will help Tesco grow, even as the market slows. The company's target of a 4% profit margin is seen as realistic, showing it can balance low prices with healthy profits. Tesco's scale and loyalty scheme give it a powerful edge. Barclays sees Tesco not just surviving, but thriving as the UK's grocery leader. It's a strong endorsement of Tesco's strategy. Sainsbury's joins Tesco as a predicted winner, with Barclays rating it overweight for 2026. Sainsbury's food-first strategy, focusing on quality groceries, lower prices, and a better shopping experience, has paid off. Its Aldi price match and Nectar loyalty scheme have helped shed its expensive image and win back budget-conscious shoppers. By balancing quality with competitive pricing, Sainsbury's has built trust and loyalty. Barclays believes this approach will keep Sainsbury's strong, even as market growth slows. Sainsbury's is seen as resilient and well-positioned for the challenges ahead. It's a clear sign that value and quality are winning formulas. Not all retailers are set for success. Barclays has downgraded B&M to underweight. B&M's discount model faces mounting competition from supermarkets and other discounters like Aldi, Lidl, and Poundland. Its unique market position is being squeezed and like-for-like sales growth is slowing. Barclays warns that B&M's past strategies may not work as well in a tougher, more crowded market. The company must adapt quickly to maintain growth. The downgrade is a signal B&M faces a challenging road ahead. The discount battle is heating up. Ocado remains on Barclays' underperform list, with persistent doubts about its profitability. Despite its innovative tech and M&S partnership, Ocado's high costs and fierce competition make profits elusive. Its solutions division, selling automation tech to global retailers, hasn't delivered the expected returns. The UK retail arm faces low margins and intense rivals, while the tech business is slow to scale. Barclays sees Ocado's path to sustainable profit as uncertain and risky. For now, Ocado is a high-profile player with an unclear future. Innovation alone isn't enough in this market. The pressure is on for Ocado to prove its model works. Barclays' analysis signals a major shift for the entire UK grocery sector. Market growth is forecast to drop from over 6% in 2025 to just 2.5% in 2026, a dramatic slowdown. High growth was driven by inflation, not increased shopping. With inflation easing, supermarkets can only grow by taking customers from rivals. The fight for market share will intensify, exposing the strengths and weaknesses of each retailer. This context explains why Barclays is bullish on Tesco and Sainsbury's, but cautious on B&M and Ocado. The era of easy growth is over. Now, only the best strategies will win. The grocery landscape is about to get much tougher. What's really behind the recent slowdown in the UK grocery market? It's a question on the minds of shoppers and retailers alike, as the landscape shifts in unexpected ways. According to Barclays, two main forces are at play: a sharp drop in food inflation and an intensifying battle over prices among the big supermarket chains. For several years, rising prices were the main driver of market growth. Even if people weren't buying more groceries, the higher prices meant supermarkets saw bigger sales numbers. But now, food inflation is easing off. In fact, some staple items are even getting cheaper, reversing a trend that's dominated since the pandemic. That's a welcome relief for shoppers, who are finally seeing their weekly bills shrink. But for supermarkets, it's a challenge. They can no longer count on inflation alone to boost their revenues. The second big factor? Supermarkets are now locked in a fierce price war, with every major chain determined to win over cost-conscious customers. They're fighting harder than ever for your business, slashing prices and matching rivals at every turn. Price match schemes, loyalty cards, and special deals are everywhere, making it tough for supermarkets to maintain healthy profit margins. This environment is fantastic for consumers, who benefit from lower prices and more choice. But it's a tough climate for retailers, especially smaller stores, or those that can't operate as efficiently as the big players. The combination of falling inflation and aggressive price competition is slowing overall market growth, making it harder for supermarkets to stand out. In this new landscape, we're starting to see clear winners and losers emerge, as some chains adapt better than others. Only the most efficient, innovative, and customer-focused supermarkets will thrive in the months ahead. The battle for value is on, and the outcome will shape the future of grocery shopping in the UK. So, what does all this mean for you? Expect more price competition, better deals, and loyalty offers as supermarkets fight for your custom. Tesco and Sainsbury's will keep pushing value and rewards, making essentials more affordable. For B&M and Ocado shoppers, changes may be coming, like new pricing or service tweaks. The retail landscape is shifting, but for most shoppers, the outlook is positive. Value is king. The end of high inflation and the start of a new price war could finally ease the pressure on your weekly shop. The supermarkets that deliver quality at low prices will win your loyalty. In 2026, your wallet might just get a well-deserved break.